a.m. Not very early, but here we are. Welcome to another week in my life at the University of Glasgow. Today's Monday. I'm gonna try to vlog Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Also, in case anyone's wondering, it is currently mid-February. It's like February 19th. Probably might be March by the time this video comes out. So yeah, today I have to be like extra productive because my Squarespace analysis is due on Wednesday and I have to get it done like today because I have a hockey game like 3 hours away tomorrow. And then I have my history essay due next week and then another economic and social history essay also due next week. So I gotta do a lot of notes, but also kind of juggle in classes and seminars and my social life, and I don't know. I thought this week would be fairly interesting in all of the aspects. Give you like a little glimpse into what an actual busy, productive, but also interesting and social week looks like at the University of Glasgow, for me at least. I also on Thursday have a wine social. I'm actually looking forward to that. I was genuinely just debating vlogging that day, but I was like, might as well do the whole week because why not? I haven't done one of these in a hot minute. So today I don't have a class until 3 p.m. so I'm probably gonna stay in. I'm gonna write out my to-do list and then start doing my final edits on my Squarespace analysis, cook dinner, and then head out maybe at 2:30 or maybe earlier and then just stay in and be productive. And yeah, today's gonna be one of the more boring days, but it's fun. It's, like I said, very realistic. And yeah, so thank you so much for joining me today.
Oh, that looks so good actually.
Look at that.
Runny eyelash. That's the best dessert food.
Watch me butcher it. It's just an actual normal street.
It's Tuesday now. I actually didn't even vlog the rest of last night for some reason. It's so early. It's not even that early. I gotta get to class. Had my morning coffee. Already had my Cheerios. Got 3 classes today. I'm gonna be so productive. And then I have my hockey game at, well, technically it's at midnight, but I leave to go to it at like 7, I think. Yeah, like 7 p.m. because it's that far away. And my initial plan was I wasn't gonna go to it because it's a Tuesday night, but I was like, I already handed in my essay and there's literally no excuse I could give to not go. Yeah, I'm gonna head to class now, so. Just walked back from my classes. I was fairly productive. I actually got some work done at the cafe I went to offshore, which is like my favorite next to Tinderbox. And I got a matcha latte and it was really nice. I did a lot of work, but I need to get enough work done before I actually go to hockey, and I need to do my tutorial work for tomorrow because there's no way I'm gonna do it tomorrow morning. And like depending how late I get home from hockey tonight, I might just skip my lecture tomorrow morning. I guess we'll see how that goes. I'm gonna have a snack. It's probably gonna be more like a meal, and then I guess I'll do work and head out. Also, really off topic, but the sun has been setting so much later these days. It's just, it makes such a difference because I used to come out of my 4 p.m. class, like this was back in December, but I would come out of my economic and social history class at 4 p.m. and it would already be getting dark, and it was so sad and depressing, and by the time I got to my room at like 4:30, it would be dark and gray. But now I have a whole hour and a half more of sunlight. Alright, I'm gonna stop talking and be productive. Let me show you how many things I'm actually bringing on this little trip. 1, 2, 3. Guys, I'm freaking out. I can't even lie. I can't even lie. I don't know. And my garbage is overflowing. Alright. Time to go. Hey guys, I'm back. 6:11 in the morning. And I'm just getting back. I don't know if you can tell by my voice, but I'm quite dead. The birds are out. We lost our game. I have class at 10. I'm gonna go straight to bed, like straight to bed, and see if I'm still alive in the morning. So, yeah. Luckily enough, my 10 a.m. class today was canceled. What is my luck? What is my luck? Because I literally woke up. I woke up at like, I think like a little bit before that and was like, no, there's no way. I'll just do it tomorrow or just wait until the recording comes out, whatever. Turns out it was canceled, and yeah, I didn't end up going to my seminar after that because that one was at like 12, and literally I went to bed at 6. I was like, if I go to that, I go to that. If I don't, I don't. And I didn't end up going to it, but I did look over the notes and whatever for it, so I'm not too far behind. But I did go to my archaeology seminar. That seminar was at the Hunterian Museum, and it was just like we were just walking around and looking at the different exhibits and different things that they had up and just like studying how museums work in general. But it was just like a fun experience because I love going to museums. Like I'll literally just go to them for fun. So like literally just doing that and walking around one for class. Amazing. Literally all I needed in my life. But yeah, I'm going to probably just read my book for the rest of the night. I thought I was going to be productive a little bit. Turns out I'm not. It's just not happening. And then I'll see you again tomorrow. Happy Thursday. I have 3 classes today, 9:25 in the morning on this beautiful February day. The skies are blue once again. Got my jacket on. Bags all ready. Yeah, I've got 3 classes today, and then after my classes later today, I have like a little wine and wine social for one of the clubs I'm in. So yeah, I'm just gonna try to get through the day, be as productive as I can, try to get some notes done for my essays. I kind of want to get them done today. Like, I want all the notes done so I can just start writing. I feel like every single time, every single day, I'm just like, I'm gonna get them done. I'm gonna get them done. I'm doing notes. Anyway, yeah, that's where I'm at. It's gonna be a great day. I have that feeling. Also, you know what's weird? Like, literally, I wake up this morning, my friends from home are all still awake, and I'm just like, this is so sad, because I literally wake up when they go to sleep, and then I go to sleep when, not when they wake up, like, it's not that big of a time difference, but sometimes if they stay up late, then they'll wake up really, really late, like 8 or 9 p.m. my time. Like, sometimes it's that bad, and I'm just like, guys, come on. And then I can never like actually speak to anyone back at home unless it's like right before I go to bed or right like when I wake up, and that's it. I'm gonna cry. All right, I'm gonna go. p.m. I'm all set and ready to go to the wine and wine night at the Glasgow Union. Me and my friends were like saying how like we literally don't know what to expect going to this thing. We were like, is it just like you gather around and drink a bunch of wine and then just talk to each other type of thing, or are they gonna like put something up and talk, like is it gonna be like an actual thing? So I have no idea what this is actually gonna entail, but I'm very excited. I actually put on foundation, which literally haven't put on foundation for like 3 months at this point, but I was like, you know what, I'm feeling extra, why not? Pray for me that I don't like overheat in this turtleneck thing I got going on, but I thought it looked cute, so I was like, so we just got this and my jeans. So yeah, we were like, if it ends up being really boring, then we're just gonna leave early and maybe find a place to eat or get Taco Bell or whatever is around, and yeah. Currently just waiting for my friend Chloe to show up, and then we're gonna head over, and yeah. Also really random, but I've been binge watching a bunch of film theory videos right now. I love Matt Pat. I had like a whole childhood phase just watching all of it, and like I don't know what happened, but I guess I stumbled upon one of the videos again, and I've just been watching them for the past couple hours at this point, and while I was getting ready and while I was eating dinner. Anyway, yeah.
Oh, and them. So they've become my hime shoes.